That's an unusual sight, huh? The water coming off of this thing? I was gonna make it a positive, but I think I'll wait.
Be the summertime soundtrack of your life. SOS.
Hey, a lot of people don't understand how cars can get stuck out here in the desert when it rains. So in Las Vegas, they have ads on TV all the time about don't drive in flood zones, and people from the East Coast and the Northwest tend to laugh at a lot of people, say, how could you ever get stuck? But I thought I'd show you because it can be a little bit crazy out here. So we're just in a normal neighborhood right over here, and there's a wash right down here. So I'm going to take you out there and show you what it looks like in this wash and how it can just be so crazy here. Let's go take a look.
They're enjoying the view too. I would not want to get stuck in that. Man. Makes me appreciate a tsunami.